I'm back. Hey you guys, it's your girl Era, and I'm back in a new place. Hey, it's been a while. So today, since my first viral video was a light unboxing, we're going to see what's inside this box. It came from Walmart. It is $35 right now. Go get it right now. And yeah, let's unbox it. Okay guys, so this is what the product looks like. It comes with a green screen, a tripod, a light, and clips, and then controllers for the light. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let me back up a little bit. Oh, the sides are stuck too. Alright, so when you first open the box, plastic. When you first open the box, there's two boxes. So there's this long box right here. I think this is where the tripods are. Yep. Here goes the tripod. Extender. And I think this is the ring light. With the the green screen is right here. I wonder where you hang the green screen up at though. That's what I'm thinking about. Because you got clips with it, but where did it go? Oh, so here's the ring light. Little ring light here. Oh, oops, I'm hitting myself with the ring light. It looks like this. And then the tripod looks like this, which I can put my camera on this one. And here's the clips, but see, if I had a little screwy thingy, then I would be able to put my camera up here, but I can't put my camera up here, so that's gonna be a whole dub. So I can just use this as a ring light and just use the other stuff. But it comes with this. Let me just set this thing up real quick. Ooh, I almost hit myself in the face with this shit. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now we just take this. I think we just put it on like this. Can we put it on like this? I'm just doing this in front of you guys. Okay. There we go. All right. Tripod saved. Thought it was a fail, not a fail. The only other thing is, ooh, it's this big. It's this big, as you can see. The only other thing is, yeah, there we go. This looks like this. The only other thing is I don't have a plug for this, which I forgot to get. So, maybe I'll show you in the next part. If there's part 2. Yeah. So the green screen, don't know where to put this at. Don't know where I can like put this at. I can hang it up on the door, I think, but I don't know. Let me see that and the clips over there. But the clips. Here's the little piece for my phone, which I'm not going to use. And here's the little clips for the green screen. And some remote for the ring light. Let me test it out somewhere. Okay? It's so cool. I did have a box. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Nice and shiny bright. This is what the ring light looks like. Let's see what it looks like in front of the camera. Ooh, nice and bright. Look at the shine, like shining. Yeah. Let me see if I can lower it. I don't think it goes any lower than this. But if I had like a camera groove right here, I can put my camera right on top of here and that'll be nice. It's nice and bright, you guys. And I can change the colors. Ooh. This is red, green. Okay. Super dim. Turn it up. This is how bright it gets. Ooh, like it. Like it a lot. Like it a lot. Alright. Nice and bright. Okay. Alright, you guys. That ends today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at my little ring light. It's like very bright, finesse-ive. It brightens up the room a lot, as you can see here. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what's your favorite part about the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.